Education Minister Rakam is Sangma Hakishpotarik Kalalingkan, Ula Pentip Baka Sorkar Jylla, Kadang Up Yakabha Pisa Naka Sorkar Pedeng, Bakan Pyllait Nakabenta ka Post Matric Scholarship Shaki Samla Puli. Habakren, Urakam Ulaong Bakilale Yakabadan Kam, Ban Penbiang Yaki Utilization Certificates UC, Balada Paru Katkum Kajingdan Kam Bat Kidang Up Yaka Ministry, Ban Pyllait Yaka Pisa. Umentri Ulaong Bakidan Hadu Henry Punyo Hajar Ngot Kiban Yok Mentoy. Na kini, Lai Punyo Hajar Tam Ladap Ai, Bat Sasan Punyo Persen Kimpat Yok Yaka Scholarship. Urakam ulaong la kumno kapisa kalakat shispa dripulai klur tingka batang lai pusaw klur lala ban Pyllait nakabenta ka scholarship kikena bat samla puli.
We are awaiting the government of ministry to release, and we have done our needful. All the documents UCs has been sent as per the requirement. Whatever we have received from the ministry, about 60, if I'm not wrong, the figure is not with me, about 67,000 was the enrollment, the beneficiary. Out of 37 plus thousand has been already given to them. Another 55% or some person was still remaining. As soon as we receive from the ministry, I think we have sent all the requirement documents. I think we are awaiting at the earliest. No, they have asked certain certain papers documents about the uses and all this requirement last year implementation, and because the fund was with us, so they have the ministry has asked to use that fund first, and we have used it, and we have given the UC also, because they have sent the first installment, and they said they will not release as long as this first installment is used. So we have used this, and I think what the needful has been done. So I think about 163 crore, some amount of that figure with me. So we were 34 crore we have already given to these students. And I think we are expected soon, and necessary communication is being met for the government. That is in the hands of the ministry. We are waiting for, and whatever the requirement document they have asked by the ministry, we have all done the needful, and maybe any time. I think it's 90-10.
90-10.
So I just seen in newspaper that government of India has already released as per his statement. I would be happy if he has a document. He should have come and give me the letters of sanction. Then I don't know how come he has received in advance. So this kind of unnecessary things can be said anyway, but the fact should substantiate.